In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to link tables in Microsoft Access. Linking tables in Access means creating a relationship so the program can combine data accurately in your queries, forms, and reports. Think of it as telling Access which records in one table correspond to records in another, so you don't have to repeat data or risk inconsistencies. Start by opening Microsoft Access and loading the database you want to work with. On the ribbon at the top, go to the Database Tools tab, then choose Relationships. This opens a dedicated window where you define how your tables connect. If Access prompts you to add tables right away, select the tables you want to link. If it doesn't, click Show Table. Pick the tables from the list, add them to the workspace, and close the dialog so you can see them laid out. Now, create the link by dragging a field from one table onto the matching field in the other. In most cases, you drag the primary key from the first table to the foreign key in the second. The primary key is the unique identifier in the first table, often named something like ID, and it guarantees each row is distinct. The foreign key in the second table stores that same ID value to indicate which row it relates to in the first table. Make sure you choose fields that truly correspond and share compatible data types, such as number to number or short text to short text. If the data types or meanings don't match, Access can't reliably connect the records. When you drop the field, the Edit Relationships window appears. Confirm that the table and field names are correct on both sides. It's a best practice to check enforce referential integrity. This tells Access to protect the relationship by preventing orphaned records, such as a row in the second table that points to a non-existent ID in the first. It helps maintain clean, trustworthy data as you add, modify, or delete records. Click Create to finish. You'll see a relationship line drawn between the two tables. This line is your visual confirmation that the link is in place. Depending on the fields, you'll typically see a one-to-many relationship, meaning one record in the first table can match many in the second. From now on, when you build queries, forms, or reports, Access uses this relationship to automatically match related records. That's all there is to it. By connecting the primary key to the foreign key and enforcing referential integrity, you've set up a solid foundation for reliable relational data across your Access database.